welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to create hole in your mesh using the tool, the bool tool add-on built in Blender. So firstly you need a cube, the mesh to work with. So make sure the bool tool is enabled in the add-ons preferences, then go over here, search for the bool tool. Bool tool is not enabled, you should check it like this. This add-on is built in Blender. Refresh, then go back. So we need to add another object, 3D object, which is cylinder, like this. Click on it. So move and rotate it so that it sticks partially. So R to rotate, 90 degrees, rotate it on the Y axis. Hit the Y key, then 90 is gonna be rotating it around the Y axis. So just move it on the X axis, G then X, like this. Just want to scale it a little bit like this. Confirm using the left mouse button. Next step is to select the cylinder. Hold Shift and select the cube as well also. Then press Ctrl- on the numpad. Now the cylinder becomes a bounding object, as shown in our example. To get smooth shading, you need to enable Auto Smooth. Go over this button, Object Data Properties, go to Normals, then Auto Smooth like this. On both objects, the cylinder and the cube, although you don't have to apply the Boolean cut, you can choose Apply from the modifier drop-down menu. Go over modifiers. You can apply it like this. Hit X to delete the cutter of the modifier. And that's it for this great tool. Thanks, see you in other tutorials of modeling. Thanks for watching.